Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. I want to show you how to remove and reinstall an upper radiator hose. It's going to be a very easy job. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So now I'm going to remove the cover right here. I'm going to use a 10mm. Set those aside. Lift this up, pull it towards you, slides right off. We'll set this aside. We're going to remove this clamp right here. Shake it around a little bit, get it to break free. These pliers are great, except getting the exact right size for things sometimes can be a pain. Slide it down the hose. You're going to grab your hose, give it a little wiggle. If it doesn't seem like it wants to break free, this one almost kind of looks like it will. Yep, it's coming off. Okay. We'll set that aside. You can check your hose. Make sure you don't see any dry rot cracks in there when you squeeze it. This hose still looks decent. Set it aside. Just going to grab this clamp with some straight pliers. It's easier to get to. Slide it down the hose. There we are. We can grasp our hose. See if we can give it a twist. Okay. So it's not coming off at this point. You could do something like grab it with some pliers. Carefully try to break it free. Okay. If it doesn't seem like it wants to come free like that, and you don't want to tear the hose because you've got teeth on your pliers, use something like this. Or even if you have like the little hose pick, a lot of times those come in handy because you just essentially slide it along the metal here, in between the metal and the hose. And that helps break it free. And you just kind of run it along. You want to be careful not to poke any holes in your hose, whether you're using one of the hose picks or the small screwdriver. Okay. There we are. We've removed our upper radiator hose. Okay, so we're going to take our hose, slide it back on right there. You want to make sure it's twisted to the point that it's going to line back up with your radiator the way you took it off. Okay, this is going to line up perfect. We'll grab our clamp. We're going to bring it right back down to where the grooves are from where the clamp was originally. You want to try to line it up as best you can. It was there for a long time. It likes it there. Bring that down. Give it a little tug. That feels good. You can move along to the next step. Okay. I'm going to grab this clamp with my pliers, hopefully. There we are. Slide the hose over the radiator. Try to get my pliers on there. There we go. Bring this over. Give it a nice little tug. It's going nowhere. You can move ahead to the next step. Okay, it's time to install our engine cover. We've got two little hooky-doos like this. One's gonna go here, one's gonna go there. This is gonna set flat down, and then we've got a little piton there, one there, gonna go in there. Line them up, bring it down, line up the studs with the holes. We've got two nuts. Tight. Tight. Looking good.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.